guys have been watching the channel for a while, you guys will know and recognize the shop. I'll give you guys a hint. It's where I got my CRX. It's the shop that did my CRX B18C swap, California legal. Shout out to my buddy Fishy for helping me out with the towing, because it is quite a bit far away from home. It was quite a bit of towing, not gonna lie, but with his membership, we were able to tow the car with no issues. I really didn't have to pay anything, and it was a huge help because I was gonna be paying over $200 just for the towing. If you guys are located near the area and you guys need some service done to your car or whatever, mods, turbo, supercharged, this shop has you covered. So that's where we're headed right now, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, so we just made it to the shop and we're gonna go check out the Evo, see what it looks like, see what happened. Damn. So we're here at Cartoon. This is where I brought the Evo, and if you guys have been watching the channel for a while, you guys would recognize the shop. It's where I got the CRX with my B18C swap, and I do trust these guys. It's a bit far away from home, which is the reason why it wasn't my first choice, but when you want things done right, I recommend Cartoon, located here in San Diego. The throttle bearing was the thing that went wrong with it. So yeah, like all the little balls and everything's missing. Like I said, I had 10 years with that clutch on there, so it's just about time. I'm lucky that it happened where it happened and not like, you know, pushing the car. I was in the parking lot, not on the street, but here it is. Yeah, there's no way that I was gonna be able to do this by myself. We got the ACT flywheel resurfaced, so this is the one that I had on the car, and then we went with pretty much the same clutch, something to hold, you know, this 400 horsepower. Nothing too crazy, just a little upgrade from stock. I'm so glad that that was the issue and not something else. See you later, Shadow. I said it wasn't anything major, just a clutch. And while we're at it, we're gonna get the timing belt service done, because it's about time to do the service too. And that's how you keep an Evo reliable, guys. Just do your maintenance. Don't freaking launch it at every stoplight, and it's hold up pretty good for me. I've had the car since '07, so if you would ask me, it's a reliable car. I don't know how reliable they get once you get up to like 500 horsepower and over.
The next day.
I can only afford $30 this week. We're going to a car meet today, and I'm taking Lily with me. Say hi.
Hi.
A little tired, but we gotta get out there, guys. We gotta get on that grind, keep pumping those videos out. I really appreciate you guys. I've been noticing a lot more likes on the videos, so that really motivates me to make more content for you guys. You guys can enjoy this video, give it a like, and off we go. Well guys, I made a mistake. I didn't save the address, and I assumed that it was gonna be here at Sky Beach like they always host it. Apparently it was a lot closer to home than this area, so I guess we missed out on the car meet. But at least we're having fun out on the beach. Are you gonna go down the slide?
Uh-huh.
Go, go, go! What happened?
Say, follow me.
I am following you. All right, Lily, we made it to the car.
Bye, Park.
Bye, Park. behind a R35 and all I smell is some E85, man. Guys, that smells so good. We got some Wingstop for dinner tonight. So it's been an interesting week. The Evo's in the shop. So hopefully we get it by early next week. I miss driving it. I don't know why. I know I always have my cars ready to go, but when one of them breaks down, it just makes me want to drive it when I can't drive it. Or at least I have the GTR to drive for right now. So there's this video that I've been wanting to do. I saw another creator do it. It worked out for him, so I kind of want to try with me, and I want to ask you guys if it's a video that you guys would be interested in watching. And it has something to do with TJ Hunt. Honestly, me and him crossed paths so many times. It's not even funny, guys, but yeah, I haven't had a chance to meet the guy in person. And my question was, would you guys like to see TJ in one of my videos? I think that would be pretty cool. I have an idea. Well, actually, I'm stealing the idea from another content creator, but I commented on his video and he was like, yeah man, go ahead and do it. And he actually gave me like a little quote. So pretty much what I'm gonna be doing is like writing on a piece of cardboard and saying, standing here until TJ stops by and says hi or something like that. Like I said, me and him crossed paths so many times. Kind of have a feeling I can pull this off. I could probably chill at a road that he passes through a lot and just hope that he sees me or stops. I am planning on doing it with the GTR, of course. But I mean, if I had this car right there, then I just have like a chair, and then like my snacks, my drink and stuff, and then the poster right in front of it. I think we can pull it off, guys. I think we can pull it off. Let me know. Comment down below if you guys think that's a good idea or would make a good video. There's a ton of videos that I'm planning to do, especially with the GTR, since it's my favorite car. Why not make videos with my favorite car, right? Alright boys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next video.